Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Garten of Ban. I've beat this game twice already. So yeah, and yeah. Play. Okay. Who else is gonna come in? I don't really care, it's not full. Bro, why is it? What the skin colors are different. Her head is red, her arm is green, her other arm is yellow, and one leg's purple and the other leg's blue. Oh, she must have customized it. Okay. Yesterday I went to the Backstreet Boys concert and I'll probably post videos tomorrow about it. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Sure. Anything different here? The table went missing on the left side. The door's open now. And now there's like I don't know what that color is. It's black, I guess. I don't know. And it's all dark. Great. Oh, battery. I just wonder where battery was. Give me this. Okay. Come here. I need my drone. Great. And what about here now? Seems like these people have probably played this game before. I was the only one that won this game before. Okay, now. I hate opolio bed, the fact that she's just like, hello guys. I know you guys are looking for me, and yeah, she has played this game before. I can tell. Why do I feel so tall? I don't like that. I have to find 6 of opolio's eggs. I'll take that. Not you. You don't deserve it. Just kidding. Don't want to be mean. I actually have no idea how many I've already collected. Oh wait, don't statue off me. I know there's one in the boat. Oh yeah, you're gonna get that. Good. Okay, let me just go make sure. Okay. It's probably the last one. Great. I'll feed that to you. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got all of it. Oh, wait, give me that. Thank you. I'm a sprint. Because why not? Wait, I have a question. If I press the emergency button on while everyone's for when a pilot bird comes to get you, what if everyone was still running on that thing and I came out through and then the rest of them are still there being chased by a pilot bird and I press emergency stop? Will they all die and I'm just gonna be the last one? Because I actually have no idea. Rather than chase and knock down. I've watched people play number 2 already, but not on Roblox, because I'm literally playing on Roblox right now. I swear, if everyone leaves me, I'm literally gonna kill them. I gotta press this. Am I dumb? Did I leave someone? Oops. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I thought everyone's here. Oh my gosh. She died. I hate you. Who said that? Redstone. Who's redstone? Who's a redstone? Oh, redstone left the game. Oh, she's a. Alright. Yeah, it's already the color. I hate the fact that I'm literally pressing the button so many times and it's like, it takes the time like every second then you get to change the color. No. Yes. Pink. For some reason, I always thought that, like, this white one here was pink. For some reason. Wait, did I skip pink? Bruh. There. She here yet? Bruh, everyone left. Oh, never mind. One more person's here. We need blue. There. And then this is orange. Then green. Then orange. Oh, I'm by myself. I hate this. Oh my god. Oh, I hate you. Come here, drone. I need you so badly, drone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go away, I don't like you. Sprint. She was so close. I don't like that. But now she's missing. Ha 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 ha. I watched someone else play number 2 and somehow she's still alive after we've thrown her down that dark hole. Well, dropped her. Yeah. Gotta press this. Oh wait, oops. I think this one, yeah. And then come here. Yeah, go up there. And then this. Let's just stare at it disappear. I can't wait for number 2 to come out for on Roblox because yeah, I really want to play number 2. I just know that number 2 is longer than number 1. Oh yeah, I see the carrier thingy, majiggy. Come here and collect me. Let me on. Alright, thank you. Now press this and say bye-bye. If this is real life, how would the floor even disappear and this just come up? Okay. It's shaky. It's shaky. Oh my. Where are you? Where are you, Jumbo Josh? I think that's your name. Oh my god. I want to play number 2 now. Thanks for playing. Like and favorite the game for chapter 2. Return to lobby. No, wait. Yeah, return to lobby. Alright. So what I'm gonna do... Okay, I will like the game, because I do like it. I wonder who even voted bad. It's good. You want to play some kitty right now? Like, I haven't played this in quite a long time.
Oh, I've never seen the eggs go in her throat.
You do put it in her throat.
Yeah, but I always just spit out the thing. Never,
I think they added that. Okay, I'm a mouse. Is that kitties? Oh, never mind. Where did you get all those keys from? I need to go find them. Ah! So I'm gonna say bye for you. Guys, so I'm gonna say bye to you. Oh gosh. Never mind, not bye yet. Not saying bye yet. And I never did. Yeah. I never actually said bye. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I've never seen this before. What map even is this? I don't know anything about this. I will just have a triangular key. I'm not sure if they already used this. Probably did already without me. Run with the same spot. I'll take this key instead. I have a feeling I haven't used this yet. Okay, where are we going now? I've been on this map a few times, but what is this? I'm supposed to pull the lever. You know, he can do it. I don't care. I just have to find. What is this, anyways? And take this because no one has used this yet. That's what I know. Because before we walked past it and it was in a cage before, and I was just feeling. Is this a key? It's supposed to be a key. Oh, never mind. There is no key. It's the shape. It's the shape. Okay. It's a really confusing place. Just stay here now. I'm gonna go for Kitty. Yeah. Oh, wait, oh, please. Okay, so I'm gonna say bye for you. And I don't know what I'm gonna post in the next video. Bye.